Hello, this is Noah Bryan, and I'm going to explain how this LabVIEW code works for the LabVIEW Homework 1. Here in the video or the screen recording, I was pulling up the LabVIEW. In a second, you'll see me switch over here to the block diagram. In this block diagram, what I started off doing was basically just creating a multiplication operator that takes two inputs and has an output. And you can draw these lines from both of those. You can see the two up front. You can draw lines and create a constant quickly and enter a value. And I did that. And then next I added labels for both of those. Then I took the outputs of those multiplication operators and I put those outputs into the inputs of a division operator, and then the output of that went into that graph that you see right there. It's a natural log. Then the output of that plus another constant that I had labeled as VT go into an X multiplication operator again, and the output of that went into that V_BI graph, and that is shown over on the next, the front panel screen as well, and the output of that and the VR, which is also shown on the output screen or on the front panel screen, you can also see go into a divider. And the output of both of those from the divider goes into a subtraction with the constant, and the output of that goes into the square root, and then the output of that plus another constant will go into a divider, and then the output of that will go into the CJ. And the CJ will also appear over on the other side on the front panel. On the front panel, you can watch me change these numbers and enter to any value, whatever the value may be, and you can run it again, and you can see that the value will clearly change for the CJ. And I demonstrated that many times here in this screen recording. And it just proves that it works.